Hey beautiful people, so I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get approved for the Overstock.com without a hard inquiry, without them even checking your credit. So let's get straight into it. I do not want to go on and on about anything. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to opt in. Opt in means that you want to tell the credit bureau, share my information, share personal information with all the credit card companies that's out there. Now, sharing your personal information with all these different companies mean that they're going to start sending you a lot of offers. So you basically want to say, hey, I'm trying to get some credit, send my information to all these different credit card companies, and they're going to start sending you a lot of pre-approvals. So let's get straight into it. Go to factortrust.com and click opt in. So when you go to the website, it's going to be in the description. Go ahead and click opt in. Do not click opt out. Opt out means don't send my information to anybody. I don't want anybody to have my personal information. Opt in means send it to everybody. I'm trying to get some credit. So go ahead and click opt in and click submit. So go ahead and fill out all this information here. So you'll fill out your name, your social, your date of birth. You'll fill out your address, your email address, and then click confirm. So go ahead, put all your information in. Now, sometimes you can go ahead and do this trick right away, but at other times too, you may have to wait. So say if you try to do the trick right away, it doesn't work for you, just go ahead and wait about 7 days or 24 hours. It should be able to work for you. So after you actually do the Factor Trust, what we want to do is I want you guys to do a new incognito window. So go ahead and click here. Now, after you click here, I want to put in Overstock.com. So put in Overstock.com. Now, when you put in Overstock.com, you're going to have to, so you're going to start getting pop-ups. That's another thing, too. Make sure you guys allow pop-ups on your screen. And I'm going to go back, too, and show you guys how to allow pop-ups. But let's get straight into the video first, and we'll go back into that. How to do the pop-up. So pick an item. I want you to pick anything. You want to fake like you're going to buy something from this company. So I want you to put about $100 or $200 worth of items in your cart. I actually put a $100 item in the cart when I just tried it. But go ahead and put some items in the cart. Let's go ahead and just pick this here. So you're going to get a lot of pop-ups. But go ahead and find an item. So this one is starting at $44.09. Let's get the biggest one because it must be the most expensive one. Let's do the winter one. And then too, since that is $57, let's ask for 4 of them. That's just to get us to the $200. I do want your cart to be around $200. Now, after you get your cart to around $200, don't worry about what you put in the cart. Do not worry about it. What I want you to do is I want you to click checkout. Now, when you click checkout, make sure you check out as a guest. Continue as a guest. Do not sign into anything. Continue as a guest. Now, the same information that you put on your application for the Factor Trust, I want you to put it in here. So put your email address in. Do not copy paste. Type it all in. Put your email address in. Put your first and last name. Put your address in. Put your zip code in. Your date of birth. Well, not your date of birth. I'm sorry. Put the city in. Put the state in, and your phone number. So put all this information in. And then two of your information for your billing address is the same thing as your shipping. Just go ahead and click here for shipping, which it should be the same. Then you're going to get a pop-up. So let me show you guys what the pop-up will look like. So after you get that pop-up, what you guys can do is just go ahead and click accept. After you accept it, they're going to let you know how much you're approved for. So sometimes they can approve you all the way up to $1,000 in Overstock credit. I want you guys to put it out in the comments to let me know how much you were actually approved for. And then too, after you go ahead and click accept, all you have to do is just wait on your card to come in the mail. I do not want you to buy anything. I do not want you to do anything like that. I just wanted you to get the credit card. Now, if you did want to buy something, you want to buy something from Overstock.com, you want to get the credit card, then perfect. But remember, do not spend more than $5,000. Do not spend more than 5% on any credit card. Do not spend more than 5% on any credit card, because if you spend more than 5% on your credit card, it's going to really lower your credit score, and it's going to raise your utilization up. Spending too much on a credit card is going to really lower your credit score. Now, if you're having a problem in terms of, hey, I have too much money that I spent on a credit card, I need to lower my utilization, but right now, Rickita, I can't afford it. I want you to look down in the description. So all of it's more than just the Overstock.com that's available in the shopping cart trick. Like you have Victoria's Secrets, you have Express. There's like over 60 of them. They're all on my master credit card list. So look down in the description, get my master credit card list, and apply for those different credit cards. But on the master credit card list, I have two $5,000 credit cards that you guys can get approved for. What doesn't matter if you have a bankruptcy, you have a foreclosure, what your credit score is, they're going to approve you. I want you to apply for those two $5,000 credit cards. That way you have $10,000 added to your credit reports. That will help with your utilization, and that should really help boost your credit score up. So let me know what you guys are approved for. Don't forget, do the factor trust first so that they can share your information with everybody. And if you guys want to stick around, let me show you guys how to do the pop-ups. So click right here on the three dots, and let's click settings. Let's click pop. Let's type in pop, site settings, pop-ups and redirects, and then you can, sometimes it's blocked. They recommend that you block it, but you want to allow it because you want to get that pop-up. So go ahead and click the allow button. So that's how you'll do the pop-ups. So let me know if you guys thought this was useful and make a video about, please let me know. I also have two playlists here for you too. So I have a video that I think that you may be interested in. So go ahead and check that video out. And then I also have another video of different videos. Actually, I have another playlist of different videos I think you may find very interesting. So please go ahead and check that out. And don't forget, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.